Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe I am sharing with you all my version for an eggplant parmesan. So if you'd like to see how to make this delicious dish, keep watching.
Okay guys, so to make this, I already went ahead and sliced up my melon or my baigan into slices. You want to do these about 1/4 of an inch in thickness, and you're going to take salt and sprinkle it over the top of the baigan. What this is going to do is it's going to draw out some of the moisture from in there before we can move on with this recipe. So you're going to leave it to rest and allow that water to come up. You'll notice it'll start changing color a little bit, but don't worry about that. So guys, if you look, you'll see little water droplets on the baigan. That's the sweating process. So that first side is finished. What I'm going to do is just flip these over and we're going to salt the second side. So just go ahead and salt the second side. And once you finish salting it, you're going to set it aside again and allow it to sweat. You guys see how wet that paper towel is? That's all the moisture that's coming out from the eggplant. So what I'm going to do is just place another piece on top and just squeeze both of them like this in between the eggplant or baigan to absorb that moisture. So guys, here we have our dredging station. I have my eggplant, I have some plain flour, I have 2 eggs beaten with a tablespoon of water, and here I have some seasoned Italian breadcrumbs. You can use panko breadcrumbs if you wanted to. And I also have a tray that I'll be placing the breaded eggplant on. We're going to be baking these, or you can fry them if you like. So now let's go ahead and start coating our eggplant. So you're going to take your eggplant and you're going to press it into the flour. Now it goes into the egg mixture, and now it goes into the breadcrumb mixture. Once finished coating, place it on your wire rack and continue coating the rest. Okay guys, once the eggplant has been coated, these go into the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 30 minutes until they're cooked and they have a golden brown color on the outside. Okay, so the eggplant just came out of the oven. Now it's time to assemble. Okay, so this is how we're going to assemble. We're going to take our sauce and just use your favorite sauce. I don't know if it's available in Trinidad, so whatever you can find, just feel free to use that. So we're going to place a thin layer of sauce, and we're going to put on 1 layer of our eggplant. These pieces are really big, so I'll be doing 4 on the bottom. Okay, next we're going to spoon some more of that marinara on top of the eggplant, and we're going to sprinkle with some mozzarella cheese. You can use fresh mozzarella if you like. I'm also going to sprinkle on some Parmesan cheese. And I like grating my own Parmesan cheese because the one in the green container does contain fillers. On goes some basil. And now we're going to repeat by placing the eggplant. Go on with some more of your sauce. Then go on with your mozzarella. I'm going to sprinkle with a few more basil leaves. And I'm going to put some more Parmesan cheese. And I'm going back on top with some more mozzarella. The mozzarella is going to help protect the basil so that it doesn't burn. And feel free, as I said, to use fresh mozzarella if you wanted to. Okay, I'm just gonna gild the lily here and add a few or a sprinkle again of Parm on top. and then that's it. So now this goes into the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until it's brown and bubbly. Okay, so the way I did this was you can just take one portion like this, and that will be your serving right here. So you'll get 2 slices of the eggplant when you dish this out. Wow, look at that. Look at that cheese. Okay, now it's time to cut into this so you all can see what it looks like on the inside. It's properly cooked, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It's so easy to put together. I know I let it brown a little too much on the top because I had to watch the baby, but don't brown it that much. So if you make it, comment down below, let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell next to the subscribe button so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a good one, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.